good afternoon. Today is March 7. It's a Saturday today. So we're vlogging on a weekend kasi wala kaming NSTP. This week was our independent learning week. We are vlogging today kasi punta kami ng Vermosa. It's a mall in Cavite na may open area din. So we're gonna bike. With that, I'm gonna show you guys kung anong dadalhin ko. I'm gonna bring this pouch. It stores everything na kailangan ko in terms of tech. Here, I have this one. Ito yung pinang-export ko. This is from PowerMac. Wala kasi itong Bluetooth option. This is the Kodak Pix Pro FC55. I got it nung era ng birthday ko last year. Anyway, next item. I have my power bank. This is from Ugreen. And then, nagdadala na lang din ako ng wire in case kasi hindi always gumagana tong MagSafe. And because it is very, very hot today, I'm gonna be bringing my fan as well. This is from Jisoo Life. My friends know this, pero hindi ko to always dinadala kasi bigat na bigat ako sa fan na to. Like, hindi ko talaga alam kung bakit. Ayan siya. And for my makeup today, very light lang ako. Nag-sunscreen ako. I used the Issey cream blush and then nag-set ako ng powder blush. Doon mga guys, magpa-item for it. Vanilla ko ito. Hello everyone, good morning. It's currently 9:47 and I'm currentty here in front of my laptop kasi I'm finishing a few activities. I woke up at around 8 a.m. 7:50-ish, something like that. But I'm still so sleepy. Hindi naman sobrang aga ng 7 a.m. Pero for some reason, naantok pa talaga ako guys. Pero later na ako magmamatcha. The other day, tinry ko yung coffee ni mommy kasi she's using ngayon yung parang Nescafe. Tinry ko siya with oat milk, tapos stevia of course. And it was so good. So like, ang ginawa ko is like, winis ko din yung coffee and then tsaka ko siya nilagay sa oat milk. Today is gonna be a pretty chill day because it's an online day nga for me and I'm working at my own pace pa rin naman. Hi guys, super early ko sa campus today. It's currently 6:45 a.m. Meron kasi akong pupuntahan today na parang play ba yun? At 6 p.m. So dito na rin ako nag-online. I have my first class at 7:30. That's why medyo nag-chill lang ako here. This is a new spot guys. And dito ko sa parang medyo corner na area. Also, I super love my hair today as you can see. Second day hair na siya pero I made sure of course na medyo fresh pa din siya. And then nag-clip lang din ako. Kasi yung bangs ko guys, maiksi siya. Kapag dumadaan ako dito sa cut, sobrang windy. So, mawawala lang din yung bangs ko. Wala pang tao here as in, puro mga, sila kuya pa lang yung mga naglilinis dito. I got my food na guys. I got sisig. This is where I'm currently sitting. This is also one of my favorite places to eat. Kasi parang never ako nagsasawa sa LS. As in, it's one of my favorite buildings talaga. And magaganda rin yung classrooms. Hi guys, good afternoon. So today is March 18. It's already the next day. Allow me to give you a quick live update. This month, I haven't really vlogged a lot just because I feel like this has been one of the busiest months ever. And I know I say that a lot. Sobrang nanibago kasi like every subject is like a different atmosphere. Atmosphere. Like iba-iba ng mga taong. But ayun, we are surviving. Medyo mamimiss ko nga yung iba kong subjects. I know I've been very vocal about this. Sobrang mamimiss ko yung mga profs ko na napili ko this term. Actually, lahat sila halos ay this week guys, nag-shift din pala kami to online classes because of the pagtaas ng price ng gas. Hopefully soon, maging okay rin yung lahat because it's been very difficult for a lot of people, I'm sure, including us. Ayun guys, last Saturday, we went to Mega Mall. Actually, we were supposed to go nga to MOA kasi mas malapit siya from Taft kasi sinundo lang nila ako. And we went there to eat lunch and to get candles. As in, yun lang talaga yung goal. I got this candle from Bath and Body Works. This is the sun drenched linen and I love it guys. And I think I know why I like it now kasi meron siyang soft musk which is something that I always look for in scents. And nagamit ko guys, I had to relocate because nahulog yung phone ko kung nasan siya kanina. Anyway, so ayun nga, and we went to Bath and Body Works and I got that candle. We also ate sa Yakiniku Like and actually recommend siya ng pinsan ko. And ang sarap. I totally get the hype now. Actually, super worth it nung serving. I don't know if you saw it sa previous clips, pero mukha siyang konti kasi flat lang siya. Tapos nakaano lang dun yung beef tsaka yung pork. But it was so good and worth it siya guys. So, I highly, highly recommend. And credits to my cousin, of course. And then, I got myself a large tote bag. By the way, guys, if hindi pa siya obvious enough, I love the color blue so much. As in, siguro mga 60% ng damit ko color blue. My watch is color blue. Let's do a what's in my school bag. I used it kahapon and it literally fits everything I need and more. I have my pouch that stores all of my tech stuff. And I also brought my laptop kahapon kaya I needed to bring my charger, my wallet, my ID. I also have this one. So bilang may bangs ako ngayon and meron na siyang supply. I have this notebook guys. We got this for free lang sa Power Max. This is my parang to-do list na notebook. So, yan. Dito lang din yung pen ko. Ganyan lang siya. Also, I also have this pouch, guys. So, perfect. As in, mukha lang siyang maliit ha, pero it stores everything I need. This is my lip balm. Alcohol na kailangan ko ng i-refill. I have this parang tub from Beyabi, and this is where I put my lotion. I have wipes. Super cute na to, guys. Maliit na giggles. Tissue na paubos na. Credits to Jules. She gave me a hand lotion from Korea. Tiger Balm. Buscopan Venus for my period cramps. I have Colgate. Itong mga pang mouthwash na nakapack. Ano ba yung tawag dito? Sachet. Blotting papers. And then this maliit na comb. And then, lalagyan na ng contact lens and a toothpick. So yun guys, yun lang yung laman ng pouch na to. Nag-isip pa rin ako ng kung anong pwede pang ilagay dito. And last but definitely not the least, I have my lippies with me. I have this one and this one from Get Ready With Me. I love a good like large tote bag. So yeah guys, that's it for this mini life update. Are you Willy Wonka?
Picturean mo ko.
Okay. Dito ka siya. Okay, kita to si Get Me.
Okay. Asan na yung frog?
Frog? Ayun na.
Asan na si frog? Hi. What is your name? Crossing the road.
Treasure ka for na. And it looks disgusting.
Shovel.
Love you, baby. Matcha bro. So excited.
That's a mommy cars. Car.
Be careful. Ang bawal. Someone pa na mag-rata. To be honest, ako rin. Wait. May light ba here?
Yes. Dapat long press. Long, matagal mo.
Hindi, hininaan ko kanina namatay pa.
Wait, physics ko lang.
Ika ko mo.
Asan na?
Taste test. 1, 2.
Ay.
Walang